Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo ThinkBook 14G8. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you are experiencing issues with some keys on your Lenovo ThinkBook 14G8 not responding, you are not alone. This can happen due to various reasons, such as dust accumulation, a faulty connection, or even damaged key switches. If left unaddressed, it might lead to further keyboard malfunction, making typing increasingly frustrating and potentially causing delays in your work. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean cloth to keep your workspace tidy. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Carefully turn the laptop over and locate the screws securing the bottom panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove these screws, keeping them in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the bottom panel. Be cautious not to force it, as this could damage the clips holding the panel in place. After successfully removing the panel, locate the keyboard assembly. You will typically find this component connected to the motherboard via a ribbon cable. Inspect the connection, it may simply be loose, causing the keys to fail. If you find the cable is firmly in place, you might need to replace the keyboard. To do this, carefully disconnect the ribbon cable by lifting the locking mechanism on the connector. Then, look for any screws that may be holding the keyboard in position. Remove these screws and gently lift the keyboard away from the chassis. Be mindful of any clips that may still be attached. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the old keyboard is removed, take your new keyboard and align it correctly with the screw holes and ribbon cable connector. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the ribbon cable by sliding it into the connector and locking it in place. After ensuring everything is secure, replace the bottom panel by aligning it properly and pressing down gently until you hear the clips click back into place. Finally, screw the bottom panel back on, ensuring all screws are tightened but not over-torqued, as this could damage the casing. Power on your device and test the keyboard to ensure all keys are functioning correctly. To prevent this issue from occurring again, it's advisable to keep your keyboard clean by regularly removing dust and debris. Consider using a keyboard cover to protect against spills and dirt. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.